Okay, so I just returned from McDonald's. Big surprise. And I had a time just getting out to get to McDonald's because we had a lot of snow, freezing rain, sleet, or whatever you want to call it yesterday. And of course my car was frozen over this morning and it did not want to let me in. So I actually had to take some warm water. I didn't want to use hot, but I used just slightly warm water and I had to pour it over my car door just so I could get it open. Now it's not wanting to let me out. See, I'm trying to get out of my car. I cannot believe I'm actually stuck inside my car. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe this. Okay, this is really making me mad. But I just cannot believe that I cannot get out of my car. Oh my gosh, I want to go in the house so I can drink my coffee. Ah! This is really driving me crazy. Oh my gosh, come on, car, let me out. Oh my gosh. Okay, I cannot believe this. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is ridiculous. Come on. I cannot believe I'm stuck in my car. Come on, I wanna. Ooh, it finally opened. The same reason I think it got stuck is because there's still ice in between the door. Okay. Yay! Yay! Now I'm out and I can get in the house and drink my coffee before it gets cold. Cause look, see, there's still snow. We still have snow. There's still snow on the ground. But yay! Oh gosh. Oh, I hope this doesn't happen again tomorrow morning. Oh, happy, golly, I don't even know what day it is. Tuesday, I think. Happy Tuesday, maybe.